The 2026 Toyota Granvia is here, and it may just be the most luxurious van Toyota has ever created. From the moment you see it, the Granvia gives off a premium presence that feels closer to a luxury SUV or executive limousine than a traditional people mover. Toyota has clearly focused on blending comfort, modern technology, and elegant styling into one package that appeals to families, business travelers, and luxury transport buyers alike. The front fascia immediately stands out with a larger and more refined grille design, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives the van a commanding road presence. The chrome detailing around the grille and windows adds a sophisticated touch, while the smooth body lines create a clean and futuristic appearance. Even though the Granvia is a large vehicle, Toyota's design team has managed to make it look aerodynamic and modern rather than bulky. As you move to the side profile, the long wheelbase becomes noticeable, offering a strong hint at the massive cabin space inside. Large alloy wheels, premium sliding doors, and stylish character lines make the vehicle look upscale from every angle. At the rear, the redesigned LED taillights and subtle roof spoiler complete the elegant appearance. Toyota has clearly designed the Granvia to compete with premium luxury vans in global markets, and visually, it certainly looks ready for the challenge. Step inside the 2026 Toyota Granvia, and the luxury experience becomes even more impressive. The cabin feels spacious, airy, and incredibly refined. Toyota has used high-quality soft-touch materials across the dashboard, doors, and center console, while premium leather seating gives the interior a first-class feel. Depending on the trim level, buyers can expect captain seats in the second row with reclining functions, leg rests, heating, ventilation, and even massage features in higher-end versions. This transforms the Granvia into more than just transportation. It becomes a mobile lounge designed for relaxation during long journeys. The dashboard layout is modern and driver-focused, featuring a large infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The graphics are sharp, menus are smooth, and the overall user experience feels intuitive, even for people who are not particularly tech-savvy. Toyota has also included a fully digital instrument cluster that displays important driving information in a clean and futuristic way. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a calm atmosphere during nighttime driving, while panoramic glass roof options add even more openness to the already spacious interior. Passengers in all three rows are treated with impressive comfort levels. Unlike many vans where the third row feels cramped, the Granvia offers genuine adult-friendly space in the back. Legroom, headroom, and shoulder room are generous, making it ideal for large families or executive transport services. Storage solutions are everywhere, from large door pockets to hidden compartments and flexible cargo arrangements. Fold-flat seating and configurable layouts make the Granvia practical for both luxury travel and everyday utility. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Granvia is expected to offer a combination of efficient yet capable powertrains. Depending on the market, Toyota may introduce updated hybrid technology alongside traditional gasoline and diesel engines. The hybrid option will likely be the most talked about version because it combines strong fuel economy with smooth and quiet performance. Toyota's hybrid systems have already earned a reputation for reliability and efficiency, and applying that expertise to the Granvia makes perfect sense. On the road, the Granvia focuses heavily on comfort and smoothness. For buyers searching for space without sacrificing refinement, the Granvia may represent one of the smartest choices available. It offers the flexibility of a people carrier, the comfort of a luxury sedan, and the reliability that Toyota is known for worldwide. Whether used for daily family life, executive transportation, or long-distance touring, the Granvia appears ready to deliver a calm, premium, and enjoyable experience every time it hits the road. The 2026 Toyota Granvia is more than just a van. It is Toyota's vision of what modern luxury transportation should look like in the future. Spacious, intelligent, refined, efficient, and dependable. If Toyota delivers everything expected from this next-generation model, the Granvia could easily become one of the most desirable luxury vans in its class. Subscribe for more future car reviews, luxury vehicle updates, and next-generation automotive content.